How to translate in real time using Microsoft Teams using a Microsoft Translator. So first, of course, go ahead into the meeting itself. And from there, you'll find this option, which is the More Actions option at the top bar. Press on that and you'll see the Language and Speech option. Then just go ahead and press on Show Live Captions. We're gonna go ahead and put this in full screen, so we'll find this bottom bar. As you can see, the captions will be shown here and in this language. But you're gonna go ahead and go back to the More section, Language and Speech, and turn on RTT for this call. Press that, real-time text will be turned on for everyone in the call, so just go ahead and press that. You could type a message like hello and it will be typed in on the screen. So make sure this is also toggled over here, the live captions. And other than that, you can go ahead into the settings here on the cog icon. Go ahead into the language settings and you can choose your language from here. Just choose whatever you want and it should set automatically. And you have the other option for caption styles as well, but that is pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.